Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you a trick to produce a continuous corona discharge at your home. What you need is just a HID ballast of car headlights and a 12 volts power supply or wall adapter. As you can see, this is an aftermarket HID ballast that used in car headlights with HID bulb, and this is a common power supply that can deliver 12 volts DC with 1 amp current in its output. And as you can see, the output of this wall adapter is connected to the input of this HID ballast. Now I want to connect the input of this wall adapter to the power line. And if I turn off my room lamp, you can see a good corona discharge in here. The important thing to make a corona discharge in this fashion is that this power supply current should not be more than 1 amp or less than 1 amp. It should be just 1 amp. Otherwise, it wouldn't be continuous corona discharge. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.